Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change system language in Windows 11. Now, what you're going to do is head over here to the Windows icon and just go ahead and type here language. So you're going to look for language settings. Now go ahead and open this one. Once you see it, you should be redirected to this particular page here wherein you have the window display language. Now, you can go ahead and change this by clicking this one. Now, in my case though, since I am in Windows Home, you can see that it only supports one language. Now, that being said, I won't be able to add, but if you can, then you can go ahead and click the add language here and you can just go ahead and search for that particular language. Say, for example, Japanese. I can go ahead and click that, click the next, click the install button here, and then what's going to happen is it's going to download that language for me. Now, unfortunately though, in my case, as I mentioned earlier, it only supports one language, so this is not going to get through. Now again, that is how you're going to do it. Once that is downloaded, it should be added here and you should be able to choose that one. And that, everybody, is how you're going to change language in Windows 11 PC.